is the GoPro Jaws. This is the clamp. This is literally one of the, probably my favorite accessory from GoPro. And what I've done is you can put, obviously you can put GoPros, other type of cameras on this, but right here I've just got an iPhone holder. So when I sleep in the adventure van, I'm able to use this clamp it anywhere that's convenient for me, and I watch the movies and shows that I download from Netflix and YouTube and things like that. So let me show you how I use it in the van. This is how I would typically use it when I'm sleeping, but because of that clamp, I can use it anywhere and I can improvise. Here's another spot where I might use it while I'm sleeping in the van. All right, it goes without saying, this thing will clamp just about anywhere. You can get that vice grip around. So use it to create your own content or watch content.